Vitiate is a verb that means to spoil, weaken, or corrupt something, often rendering it ineffective or morally compromised. To vitiate is to damage the quality or integrity of something to the point that it loses its original value, effectiveness, or purpose. It's commonly used in formal or legal contexts to describe the invalidation or degradation of documents, processes, or moral principles. Origins of vitiate. Vitiate comes from the Latin vitiatus, meaning to make faulty or corrupt, from vitium, meaning fault or defect. The word entered English in the 16th century, retaining this sense of damage or moral corruption. How to use vitiate. Vitiate is often used to describe actions or conditions that weaken or ruin something's quality, validity, or purity. For instance, a poorly conducted study could vitiate the findings, or deceit could vitiate an agreement, making it invalid. It can also be used more generally to describe the act of corrupting or degrading something that was previously intact or whole. Example sentences. The presence of bias in the research could vitiate the study's conclusions, casting doubt on its findings. Any breach of trust would vitiate the contract, rendering it void. Similar words. Invalidate, to make something no longer legally or officially acceptable. Corrupt, to alter or degrade something in a way that damages its integrity. Debase, to reduce the quality or value of something. In essence, vitiate implies a significant negative impact that leaves something weakened, flawed, or morally compromised. It is a powerful word, often used to underscore the damage done to systems, relationships, or values, highlighting how easily their integrity can be undermined. Subscribe.